Pulse laser cleaning delivers cleaner results with no damage to the metal. Smart energy control ensures zero base material damage. It's the best choice for sensitive materials like galvanized sheets and aluminum alloys. Pulse laser cleaning is suitable for all types of paint, water-based, oil-based, and powder coatings. It can even remove multi-layer coatings layer by layer. Continuous laser applies constant heat, which may discolor or deform the base material. It performs better on thick single-layer coatings over 300 microns. However, it may cause smoke or even fire when removing paint. Continuous laser cleaning is more suitable for large, flat surfaces with rust or oxide layers.